Well, good evening people, welcome back to our channel, Tiny Tony's Adventures. I'm Tony.
I'm Annette.
I'm Ethan.
And I'm Lewis.
Right, we'll take you on a jollies around Costa Adeje tonight and see what it's all about. Right, we're actually in Costa Adeje in the Fannabé section. There's Solsum Beach. We're just about to take a walk down towards the sea. Probably calling a sports bar for a swift drink or two. We've walked up this hill many a time, haven't we, Eve?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a Solsum Beach Hotel, cracking hotel that one. Stayed there many times. And also you've got coming up Lily's Tea Rooms. That's another one. A really good breakfast. Afternoon teas.
We went in there.
Solsum Beach. We're going in for one. Been in here a few times as well. Hello again.
Hello.
Seen you last year.
Yeah.
Video, brilliant pub. Having a few
Yeah.
more beers. We watched football in here last year with you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, he's gone. I've gone. And he's gone. Yeah. It's actually get busy. That's a new Asian cuisine, the Phoenix. And there's a beauty centre over there.
I'm pretty sure.
It's pretty quiet here, isn't it?
Dad, I'm pretty sure that social excursions weren't there last time.
Is it not? No. Maybe Ian's that.
I don't think so.
Might be Ian, I don't know. But this Phoenix Asian cuisine looks it looks a bee's knees. Chinese, Japanese and Thai food. And we've just come out the sports bar and we're heading down for some food now. And the temperature's up near 30 degrees I think it is at the moment. It's rather busy around here at the moment. The sign. Oh.
You got it. Have you got it?
That's up front. That view out there tonight. Burger King being done up by the looks of it after it caught fire. Very busy down here tonight. What a cracking view that is. Really good view. Bit of music here. I think we might probably have to talk over this as we go past. We'll see a waxy O'Shea's. A nice bar. Brilliant. Come down here, it's quite quiet, as it was up the Miller Road. A few new establishments. Kids play area there. All the boats coming back in now into the harbour. Get some good bargains there for t-shirts and souvenirs. Gonna call in Testarossa and see my mate Wee. You see my mate Wee here. Oh, look at this, Wee.
What happened with you? How old are you now? Come on, tell us still really small.
Oh, this good establishment, this, live on YouTube, Wee. Brilliant food, as always, mate. Good to see you.
Very good.
Sky's coming down. It's a bit black up there. Kids playing on swings. Really good food in here. I must the shout must go out to Wee and Ming. They prepared really good T-bone steak tonight, and this is a place to die for when you need to go for steaks. So where are we going now? Oh, yo, what's she looking for now? Lethal this after she had a drink. She buys anything. That's a new shop. And that gotta go in there.
I know, we have to go in there. Come on.
High up. Brilliant, another place for a brilliant steak up there. Quite busy up there tonight. The people, you got to get in there early to get a seat booked to sit at the front rails to actually get a good view of the sunset going down. Good place to eat your jet skis and your excursions. Another place for you get your massage, your fish spa.
Sharks! Excuse me, do these bite?
Actually sitting there.
No,
sitting
they
there,
these
get your
bite, go like that.
fish.
They go. They go.
Shops closing up for the night. Oh look, there's one there. Some black ones there for you, Lewis. Oh, going in one of these Spanish shoe shops. Oh, always nice smell of leather.
Look at that.
Always a nice smell of leather.
I
Yeah.
know what it he wants now.
What?
No, I know what he wants now. I've seen him.
What?
Oh, even I don't.
Like an handbag.
Yeah. There's some going on the beach.
Got balloon. Oh, have you seen all bubbles going up, Ethan? Koala Bay. It's one of your shops, isn't it?
Don't think they'll have any handbags in there.
I don't think how many vest tops fit me anyway.
No, probably.
I couldn't, one thing I never understand is why Tenerife doesn't have a Giacomo shop.
You don't even have a tiny Tony shop.
Could have a tiny Tony shop. Oh, this place has been empty for some time, this.
So these are all. I need a toilet bag.
I do too.
Oh, Ben.
This absolute punch bomb.
Actually, no, I wouldn't.
Are we recording?
Yeah, what do you fancy one Elvis bar? Yeah. What about, oh, there's a fun pump up there. No, we'll go Elvis bar. Elvis bar. Karaoke.
What do we have to go up them stairs?
Yeah. Come on, keep going.
Remember down in those stray cats?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are they there? Come on, buddy.
The kids play area there for all people coming.
adults.
For adults when they've had a few beers.
Be bouncy house
Yeah.
for adults.
McDonald's down there.
Best view.
Best view for beach down there. This is also a nice restaurant.
And then
Very well priced as well. Spaniel, English. You're quite busy up here now. Right up, another shop. They want to go in. What are they going to buy? What's he going to buy? What's he looking for now? No? What?
no, that's what I said, but he said no.
Hey?
It'd be too small because I've got the camera going.
Wow. Annette,
You want something like this?
no, that's ample size. I'm buying it. Right.
Oh, yeah, like that. That size. That one or the black one?
No.
He wants one of them. He's carrying it, not you. He's carrying it, not you.
How much is that?
What price will you do for two? What price will you do for two?
Ah, they are good prices already. 20 euro, 150.
That's a bit dear for 15.
No, no, that's nice price.
And these pockets put money and keys and stuff. There's not enough pockets on that.
I want this.
Pocket. Pocket, that's big enough.
Right, if you think whatever, alright, but it needs to get the money in it, cameras in it, phones in it, everything.
That's big enough. But he wants that one for himself.
For what? No, you just have that one. Come on, you got a card. What the fuck am I buying fucking man bag for?
Because you want him to carry
Yes,
everything round.
in that one. Why? He doesn't need a man bag.
One of them. So
For
I've
what?
got my bag. I've got my bag. Where's your man bag? They're a bit expensive.
They are expensive. I looked at that one up there, innit? There. Look at that one. I looked at that one.
He said no.
I don't know why. He's got enough pockets
Nah,
and bags in it,
listen.
isn't it?
We'll go and market on Sunday and they'll get you one on Sunday.
Stop your paddy, Ethan. Shut
You're
up.
ruining
You're
my
in
holiday.
my holiday, you little idiot. Look at that. It's an easy, yeah? You got it?
Yes, how are you?
Right, make sure you put car back in the wallet. You put it in. We'll let you put that in your bag as well.
That's my watch too.
Right. I don't agree with that, mate.
Are you carrying everything round?
No, I'm not, but I don't think you can get
so
everything in.
He wants that.
Don't think you can get everything
He
in.
wants that. Let's carry it. He doesn't want to
Yeah.
carry everything.
No, I don't think you're going to get any all in, that's all.
It's bigger than the one.
Yeah.